This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Angelina Ballatore. Turnkey ground floor condo in Camellia Trace. This spacious condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, high ceilings, an open floor plan, indoor laundry room, large kitchen that overlooks a massive great room and sliding glass doors that lead you to your secluded covered patio. Each bedroom has its own private bathroom and walk-in closet. Camellia Trace is a hidden gem with only 4 buildings in the complex, open parking, and concrete walls in between units. It is conveniently located off of Northwest 16th Avenue in Gainesville. 6 minutes to the University of Florida, 7 minutes to Downtown Gainesville, 3 minutes to Grove Street, 3 minutes to Publix, and walking distance to the bus stop.